Hi guys, welcome back. We'll begin by boiling our potatoes with a teaspoon of salt for 15 minutes. While the potatoes are boiling, I'll be making the oil mixture with a cup of olive oil, half tablespoon black pepper, half tablespoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon parsley. Mix this well. When the potatoes are done boiling, run them under cold water for a few seconds and then mix them well in the oil mixture. Place the potatoes on a baking sheet, and I'm using the bottom of a glass to smash them down. We're dipping the smashed potatoes in the oil mixture so that the inside can also be full of flavor. Sprinkle some salt and put them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to flip their sides and put them back in for another 30. And there you go, crispy smashed potatoes. I hope you try and enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.